Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today on In the Kitchen with Sandy, it is the weekend. It's a humid weekend. Look at my hair. My hair is so out of control today. But, you know, the girls want a steak again. And I found some amazing steaks at Kroger's last week. So I froze them. I don't normally like to freeze steaks, but I wasn't going to cook them then. Hey, look at these. Come look at these. Today I'm doing something simple. I'm gonna make some steaks, salad, and probably some, I don't know, maybe some cheesy julienne potatoes or something, and some deviled eggs. Got some eggs going on in the background there because I was craving some deviled eggs too. This is not a recipe video. This is just a cook with me video. Let me tell you something. I filmed a video yesterday. I'll tell you what, it's like the street. It's Chipotle street tacos, like tacos, burritos, whatever, and that is absolutely amazing. I already edited it, and it's ready to go, so that'll probably come up sometime this week. We'll see, but you need to really try that. I want to show you what I got going on up here. All right, I have these steaks here, and I'm just kind of letting them lay out and do their thing. Got some eggs over here. I don't even look how big these steaks are. I put them in a bag so they didn't leak out. When I laid them out overnight. These things are humongous. Look at these. I think these are ribeyes. Look at that. They're still a bit frozen, so you know you have to let your meat lay out to come to room temperature. So what I did is I just put a little bit of Worcestershire sauce on them. And man, I'm putting the garlic powder on there. Some serious garlic powder. They're still a little frozen, so I'm just putting them in a Ziploc baggie. A big Ziploc baggie. Look at the size of that beast. Good Lord. And as they're coming to room temperature, you know, they're going to be seasoned really well with this. I think before we slap them on the grill, I'm going to put a little bit of, you know, some salt and pepper on them as well. Look at these monsters. Look at that. These are the bone-in. Just going to make it even better. Look at the size of that. Look at the size of that meat. I'm going to pop them in there. Oh. Get rid of this. Zip them up. And I'm just going to continue to come to room temperature. Seal them up. It's alright if your meat lays out, you know? It's not going to hurt it. I remember back in the days when, you know, but Mom used to lay, you know how they say now not to lay? God, I look horrible. You're not supposed to lay chicken or anything out. But Mom would lay a whole chicken out. She would lay it out on the counter until she was ready to cook it. She'd thaw it out like that on the counter, from frozen to hell we ate it. We didn't know what we were eating back then, I guess. It always tasted so good. I'm gonna make these scalloped potatoes. I don't normally buy these things, but you know, I bought them in a pandemic rage when, you know, you had to grab everything. Remember, like I said? So this is gonna be semi homemade potatoes. I'm gonna add some of my own cheese and maybe some onion flakes. And, you know, I'm gonna make them my own. I'm gonna make them a little bit better than what they would normally be. I like the au gratin ones, but my husband don't like them, so I really don't never buy those things. If I want to make au gratin potatoes, I just make them homemade, which are so. But I'm trying to use up some of the stuff that you know, that we bought in the end of March. I've got a spare bedroom full of, you know, stuff that we don't normally eat, and we're trying to eat it up. Oh, I probably should have. They look like little potato chips. See, he says he don't like them because of the texture of them. I'm gonna try one like this. They're gonna need doctored up. Yeah, that's definitely a dehydrated potato. All right, look at that. That don't look like very many, does it? That's all right. Me and Olivia will eat them. It says you add 2 cups of boiling water. That's almost boiling. And then it says, what else does it say? 2/3 cup of milk. That's about 2/3 a cup. And then I'm gonna add some butter. I probably should put the butter in it before I put the cold milk in it, right? So we're gonna put a couple tablespoons of butter in there. We're gonna make these good. I'm gonna put the cheese in them. And I preheated my oven to 450 degrees. You know what, I should have mixed all that together before I poured the potatoes in. Ooh, smells good. Smells good. And I'm gonna put some onion flakes. Onion flakes makes everything better. And some pepper. Oh, that's onion flakes. Where'd my pepper go? It's about to go overboard on the onion flakes there. You know I like lots of black pepper. You know it. You know this already. And then I'm just going to stir this all together. Hopefully it'll turn out all right. Look at my new little baking dish here. I come home from work one day and I had a whole big box of Pyrex waiting on me. I was so happy. There, that butter will melt in there, won't it? Smells good. We're gonna put the steaks on. I'm gonna put some cheese in there, some regular cheese too. There's a lot of noise going on because, you know, the neighbors are mowing and my husband's out doing whatever to his. He just bought him a new truck, so there. This is gonna be good. Hopefully. Kind of looks like a soup, doesn't it? We're gonna pop it in the oven. It says 450 degrees for about 20 minutes, so we'll see what it looks like when it comes out. Look at these steaks, guys. They look delicious. Look at that. We also threw some hot dogs on the grill as well. Look at that. Look how big those are. And my potatoes, look how they turned out. They didn't turn out too bad. So we'll see how they turn out. All right, guys, I am gonna plate this up and I am gonna be ready to eat. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Potatoes look wonderful. The steak looks magnificent. I'm gonna have a salad, gesundheit, with some balsamic vinaigrette and a couple deviled eggs. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you know I appreciate you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.